Today's recipe is oven beef stew. The ingredients are 2 pounds of chuck roast cut into chunks, 1 medium onion sliced thin, 3 stalks of celery diced, 4 carrots sliced, 4 medium potatoes diced, 1 15-ounce can whole tomatoes with the liquid, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, and 4 tablespoons of either minute tapioca or 2 tablespoons of tapioca flour or 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, whatever you have on hand, and 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. I'm doing this in a crock pot, but it can also be roasted in an oven. So you start out by putting the chunks of roast beef in the bottom, and then you're going to do layers, and between each layer you're going to sprinkle a little bit of your cornstarch or tapioca flour, and then you're going to sprinkle a little bit of the sugar and a little bit of the pepper and a little of the salt. And you're going to do this in between every layer. So you start out with the beef, then you go with the onions, and then the celery, then you're going to go with the carrots, and then all your sprinkles again. And now the potatoes. More sprinkles. And don't be afraid to get your hands dirty, because it's not really getting your hands dirty, it's becoming one with the dish that you're fixing. And that oneness is what brings the love into your dish. Haven't you ever noticed that if somebody else makes you a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, it tastes better than when you make it for yourself? The element of love and care and intention is unique and powerful, and it should be in every dish that you make in your kitchen. So you put in the tomatoes and the last layer of sprinkles. Cover it up. Now I had it on low for 5 hours, and I still needed to cook it for an extra hour and a half or so. So maybe start out with it on high, and it'll be done in about 4 to 5 hours. You check it poke the potatoes, see if they're tender, and when they are, it's done.